Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Linda and tomorrow is Chinese New Year or Spring Festival, and it is tradition to make dumplings the night before, and that's what I'm gonna do today. This is by no means a instructional video because this is my first time making it all by myself too. So this is gonna be like a trial and error type of situation. I just went and bought all the ingredients earlier today and I hope I have everything. I compiled recipes from Chinese websites, from English websites, and I hope I have something that will actually turn out well. We'll see. Let's do it. Honey, come help me. The kind we're making is called the beef and green onion dumplings. So far I have mixed in the beef with some, what is it called? Oh, with this like soup type of thing, boiled with chicken stock and Sichuan peppercorn and some ginger, and I have mixed all that together and I'm waiting for my honey to chop up the onions for me. The filling is done. That only took about 10 minutes. That was really quick. I mixed in the beef with onions, some celery, salt, pepper, soy sauce, rice cooking wine, and some sesame oil. That's really about it. It smells pretty good. I don't know if it's too salty or whatever because it's raw meat and I'm not gonna taste it. So we'll see. One thing about Chinese recipes is that they don't give you measurements. They usually say just to put in the appropriate amount, and I don't know what that is. So hopefully this will taste good. We'll see. So now that the filling is done, I need to start wrapping it. Because I'm a lazy person, I didn't want to make a dough with flour and roll it into little round pieces of wrappers. So we'll be using these. My mom uses these sometimes when she makes dumplings and they turn out pretty well. So this is what I'm going for now. So I want to show you how I make my dumplings. A little bit of filling. I put some water on the edges so that it will seal with the other side. And then put some more water on the side, and for each side I like to make at least 3 folds. So you have 3 folds on this side, and I'm gonna do the same thing, and we have a dumpling. Finished making 1 plate of them, and I'm gonna make a small sample to try and see if it tastes okay. I finished wrapping all the wrappers that I have. Here is my finished product. Oh, look at it, so beautiful. And I also made some to try it out. I made 6. I also made my dumpling sauce that I make all the time. I'll put the recipe down below. But I'm going to try my first one. Let's see how it is. It's not bad. It's not bad. It tastes like a big meatball inside. I'll put the recipe down below. It's not a fail. I don't think this is a fail. It's actually pretty good. The problem I do have is that after using all the wrappers that I have, I still have this much filling left. I can probably make 2 more packages of those wrappers with these fillings, so I'm gonna have to go back to the grocery store and buy more. So that was it. I hope everyone have a great new year. This is year of the pig, I think. I hope you like this video. Please hit the subscribe button and I will see you in the next one. Bye!